Welcome back to another cold email teardown. In this video, I have a 2-for-1 special because I got cold emailed twice in the past 2 days from the same company pitching me on lead gen, I think. I'm not really even sure what's being offered here because the email reads, built CMM. We include Signalize for verified leads and signal data. We also map CRM fields so deliverability isn't trash. We send millions of emails monthly, worth passing to someone on your team. And the follow-up says we're an outbound and RevOps agency. Signalize is our SaaS behind it. We built it to solve the same data quality problems that kill most campaigns. I don't really know what's being sold here, so I'm going to take this and make my best guess and see what I would do differently. So first of all, leading with we built CMM doesn't do anything for me because I don't know what that is. I don't know what CMM means. I don't know what Signalize means. I don't really wake up and say, hey, I need to map my CRM contacts. Sending millions of emails monthly is good. That's good. But everything else is just very vague and I don't really know what's being sold here. So what I would do in this situation is say something like, Christian, are you taking on more clients at ListKit right now? We can book 50 meetings a month on your calendar by reaching out to prospects that are actively looking for service. And what I would do here is run my list through Claude and get the specific service that's being sold. So for ListKit, actively looking for B2B contact data. Client Ascension added 75K in revenue from the leads. Mind if I share a video explaining how we can do the same for you? Listen, nobody cares. Nobody's going to know what Signalize or CMM even are. And then for anyone that keeps reading, like, I don't know what that means, whatever. There's no hook. There's no value here. There's no offer being made. Like, hey, we map our CRM fields and we send millions of emails. What am I getting? Am I getting calls? Am I getting leads? Am I getting data? Like, what is being sold? Whereas my angle would say, hey, are you taking on more clients at ListKit right now? We can book 50 meetings a month on your calendar by reaching out to prospects that are looking for B2B contact data. Here's what Client Ascension was able to achieve. Here's what we can do for you. Do you want to see a video? Now, I want to grab the follow-up because they're attempting to add more context, but it's not really working. Like, wanted to share a little bit more about how we approach things. We're an outbound and RevOps agency that has helped companies book meetings at scale. Signalize is our SaaS. Happy to connect if it makes sense. No CTA. Still no offer being made here at all. Are you booking me meetings? Are you giving me leads? What is going on here, right? So what I would do is following up about how we can book 50 calls per month for you. Every lead is put through our SaaS to ensure accuracy and identify in-market intent signals. So you get in touch with prospects actively looking for B2B contact data. Mind if I share a video explaining how we can guarantee you 50 leads per month? Can we actually guarantee 50 leads? I don't know if this company offers a guarantee, but this is what I would use in my outreach because in this email, there's really no offer being made. Like no CTA, no value. Are you getting me calls, leads, meetings? No clue. So that's how I would rewrite these to make an actual offer of 50 meetings a month and then following up about how we can do the same thing. So hopefully that makes sense as to why I critiqued this email so hard because you need to have some sort of end result in your email or it's just not going to work. So cheers.